This is my CodeBot project from Summer Pathfinders 2020. This is Firia Labs, Python with Robotics. This little robot here was designed, the CodeBot was designed by David Ewing. It has sensors across the bottom that can determine if it has what kind of pattern is happening with the light. It has lights across the front edge in front of the left and right headlights. It has motors under here that work each of the wheels with ratios that have to be set of which wheels are going forwards or backwards to make things go forward or turn. It also has a speaker that can be programmed by pitch. And so there's a lot of different opportunities here to create things in unique patterns, to make interesting apps that just are a whole lot of fun and make programming completely come to life, like literally come to life. And when I hit the button, what you're going to see is that this little CodeBot is going to sing a little robot song. Then the motors are going to engage. It's going to start moving, and as soon as it hits a black line, you'll see the sensor lights go on for which of the 5 sensors actually sense the black line. It will beep, then it will back up, it will rotate a little and try to move forward again. And the entire time, its job will be to stay inside this black line, which is its fence. And that's why we call it the fence runner. So the fence runner is making its way around the circle, and it is programmed to continue to go like this until it receives a press on button number 0 to turn it off, which would be almost impossible for me to do while keeping this camera steady. So I will just leave it at saying that my kids are going to have a complete blast while programming this in the coming school year. Thank you so much to everyone involved, from the engineers, the National Science Foundation, Infosys, and the people at Donors Choose who made it possible for me to participate so my kids can benefit from these great technologies that make learning so much fun. Thank you, everybody.